The water is flowing at the rate of 10 meter per minute. So rate flow of the water is given, that is 10 meter per minute, and a cylindrical pipe 5 meter in diameter. So diameter is given as 5. So over here diameter when given as 5, so I can calculate the radius from here. The radius will be 5 by 2. Simple thing, first of all. Then diameter and radius is calculated. Once the radius is calculated over here, 5 was given in terms of mm, and when you observe other things are in centimeter. So over here 5 by 2, this is what 5 by 2 in terms of mm. When you have to convert in the form of centimeter, you will multiply, or I would say rather over here divide by 2, or either will divide by 2. So this over here is 5, sorry, yeah, divide by 10, not 2, what I'm saying, 2 10. So over here 5 cancelling out this 10, we're left with 1 by 4 centimeter. This will be the radius. Once we have the radius, in 1 minute the length of the pipe, water flow is what exactly? Water flow is simply in per minute this much length of water have been flown away. So how would I write? For the case of 1 minute, the length of water which have been gone, length of the water, that is given in terms of meter. Length of water given in terms of meter is 10 meters, so that is simply multiplied by 100, 1000 centimeter. Volume of the water is what we need to calculate, volume of water. So for the volume of water, we say that okay, we have a cylinder, right? So pi r square h, and h we are taking as 1000. Why, sir? Because for a minute we are doing the calculation. So over here 22, or rather at the moment leave it in terms of pi over here. Pi into r is what, 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into simply this 1000 value. All right, this was about the water flow. Now how long it will take to fill a conical vessel whose diameter and depth is given? For the case of conical, the volume of the cone should be same as the water came out of this particular thing, right? So the volume of the cone, which is having the formula of 1 upon 3 by r square h, putting up all the values which are given to us, that is 1 upon 3 pi, let us remain as it is. Since the base diameter is given as 40, so from here r will be what, 20, simply 20. So 20 into 20, and depth, that is our height, as 24. So doing the calculation over here, you can go for the calculation also, but important thing is this is the total volume which should be filled, and this is the volume filled in 1 minute. So how much time will be taken? Time will be what? Time will be volume of cone being divided by the volume of water in 1 minute. This is water in 1 minute, I'm mentioning over here, 1 minute. And this is what the division you have to do over here. This is the division which needs to be done. When you do the division over here, this will be having pi into 20 into 20 into 24 in the numerator. In the denominator we have 3 of this itself, and the pi from this one, and multiplied by 1000. In the case of 4 and 4 will also go in the numerator, 4 into 4. So doing the calculation, pi cancelling out pi, rest of the calculation you can go for. This final calculation when you go for will be coming out to be what, 256 point, not point, divided by 5. And when you do it further division, you'll be getting what, 51.2 minutes. 52.2 minutes, and this will be our correct answer, option number